Hi everyone, so in this video you will learn how to generate a barcode using JavaScript. At the end of this tutorial you will get this kind of output where you will have an input field and a generate button. Let me type something here. For example, hello world, and you can see we are getting a barcode with the text. We are going to use this library JsBarcode. This is very simple to use library. You can generate a barcode in various formats using this library. You can see we got EN13, EN8, also there is UPC. By default it generates code 1 to 8. Also there are options which you can utilize to customize the output of this barcode. These are the options. For example, you can change the line color, you can change the background color, you can display the text, hide the text. There are a lot of customization which you can do in this library. So let's get started and start using it. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure and a link to the style sheet. Add a script file here. That will be script.js. We also need to add a barcode library here just before this script. So in this page, you will find this link. Just simply click on this link, copy it, add a script tag here and provide that link. That's it. Now let's create a container here. So first of all, we need an input element, add a button. Let's make it generate. Also, we need to display the barcode. For that, we need to go on this page. And from here, you can generate barcode in various formats. So we'll go with this SVG. Just simply copy this and paste it here. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Select the container class. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Gap will be around 20 pixels. Align items will be center. Select the input element and the button element. Give it a padding of around 5 pixels. Just open this to see everything is working. Okay, so the layout is pretty basic and there's nothing messed up. Now let's create a script file here. Now let's select the button element. So we'll call it btn gen. Also select the input element. Add a click event listener to the button. This will be the handler function. Now let's get the value of the input element first. So it will be input element dot value. Now we'll call this function JsBarcode. It will take the ID of the SVG element, which is barcode, and the value. That's all what it needs. Now just save it. Go to the browser. Now type here hello world. Click, and that's the output. Now let's say you want to change the background color of this barcode. You want to make it green and the line should be in yellow color. Also, you want to hide this text. Of course, you can do it. Let me show it to you how. So previously I showed you there are a couple of options which you can utilize. So to hide the text, you can go with this display value property. To change the background color, you can utilize this. And to change the color of the bars, you can go with this line color property. Now let's utilize them. We'll create a variable here. It will be options. So we'll set display value to false. We'll make the background green and the line color should be yellow. and we'll pass it as third parameter. Now just save it, go to the browser, type here hello world, click generate, and that's the output. So that's enough for this video. If you want to explore this library a bit more, have a look over this page. It got various options. You can set the margin, you can change the font size, a lot of stuff is there. Even you can change the width and height of the bar. So have a look over this page and explore a bit. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.